Everyone wants to get rich, but what if I told you that some of the newest millionaires on earth didn't build apps, start companies, or trade crypto? They just learned how to use AI faster than everyone else. This isn't theory. In the last 2 years alone, ordinary people, teachers, students, designers, have turned side projects into six-figure businesses using AI tools that anyone can access. And today, I'll show you exactly how they did it, the tools they used, the strategies they followed, and how you can start doing the same thing today. All the AIs I mention are linked below. Every single one has a free trial through my affiliate links, so you can literally start testing them right after this video. Let's go. Tool 1. The YouTuber who built an empire with AI. Meet Jake. 2 years ago, he had no experience editing, no camera, no studio, just curiosity. He started a faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT for scripts, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, and Pictory for the visuals. One person, one laptop. He posted 2 videos a week for 3 months. Then, one of them went viral, 2.4 million views. Now his channel earns over $6,000 per month in ad revenue and affiliate income combined. His secret? Consistency and automation. He used Notion AI to track topics, Opus Clip to turn videos into shorts, and Canva for thumbnails. Every tool he used is linked below, and every one of them has a free trial. Tool 2. The freelancer who replaced her job with ChatGPT. Sarah worked as a copywriter, earning $15 an hour. Then she discovered ChatGPT and Copy.ai. She started offering AI-powered marketing on Fiverr and LinkedIn, faster, cheaper, and more creative than traditional agencies. Her clients didn't care how she did it, they just loved the results. Now she charges $300 for website copy, $150 for ad packages, and $100 for email sequences, all written in a few hours. Sarah's income tripled, and her work hours dropped by half. Her secret weapon? Knowing how to ask the right prompts. You can test Copy.ai and ChatGPT through my affiliate links below, both free to start. Tool 3. The teenager who built a website business with Durable. A 17-year-old student named Leo learned about Durable, the AI website builder that makes full sites in under a minute. He offered 24-hour websites to local restaurants and small businesses for $200 to $300 each. He didn't know coding, design, or SEO, just how to type a sentence. Durable handled the rest. Now he's made over $30,000 in a year. Working after school, you can literally start doing this today. Durable's free trial is linked below. No experience needed. Tool 4. The designer who scaled her business with Canva Magic Studio. A freelance designer named Alicia was burning out. Too many clients, not enough time. Then she started using Canva Magic Studio. Now she generates logo concepts, social media posts, and even thumbnails in minutes. She sells design packs for $39 to $99 each on Etsy and Gumroad. Her Canva templates have been downloaded over 10,000 times. That's passive income, powered by AI. If you want to try the same thing, my affiliate link for Canva is below. You'll get premium templates and free credits to start designing. Tool 5. The musician who makes money while he sleeps. Tom's dream was to make music, but the industry is tough, so he used Suno AI to generate unique, copyright-free background music. He started selling packs of YouTube-safe songs for $20 each, and they went viral on TikTok. Now his music plays in hundreds of videos across the internet. The best part? He earns royalties every single month from AI-made tracks. If you want to make your own tracks, I've linked Suno AI below. Free to test. Tool 6. The student who built a digital empire with Notion. AI Emily was a 21-year-old student with no job. She discovered Notion AI and started building Notion dashboards for productivity, fitness, and business. She sold them on Gumroad and Etsy for $29 each, and within 6 months made over $18,000. Her templates went viral because they didn't just look nice, they worked. She combined Notion AI with ChatGPT to write built-in guides, automations, and workflows. You can start doing the same. Links are below to get free access to Notion AI and ChatGPT. Tool 7, the agency that uses OpusClip to make $20,000 a month. A small marketing agency replaced half its video team with OpusClip, the tool that automatically cuts long videos into short viral clips. Now, they produce 10 times more content for clients at the same cost. Instead of editing manually, one person manages the entire process using AI. They charge $300 to $500 per client per month and run 50 plus accounts. That's $20,000 plus in recurring income, built on automation. And yes, you can use the same tool for your own content or clients. Link below to test OpusClip for free. Tool 8, the developer who built an AI startup without coding. Mark wasn't a developer, but he used Make.com, a no-code automation platform, to connect ChatGPT, Stripe, and Notion. In one weekend, he built an AI resume writer that automatically delivers results via email. He charged $15 per resume. 2 months later, over 1,000 people had paid for it. No coding, no employees, just Make.com doing all the work. And you can do the same. The free trial is linked below. Tool 9, the creator who turned AI tutorials into a full-time income. One creator started posting short YouTube tutorials showing AI tools like ElevenLabs, Durable, and Copy.ai. She didn't sell anything. She just showed how to use the tools. But every video had affiliate links in the description. Within 6 months, she was earning over $3,000 a month just from affiliate commissions. That's passive income powered by education. If you want to start doing this too, the tools are linked below. Just pick a niche and start creating. Tool 10, the people who took action. And finally, the truth is, none of these people were special. They just took action before everyone else. The tools are free. The opportunities are real. All you need is to stop scrolling and start building. So here's the challenge. Pick one tool from the list below. Try it today. And in 30 days, you'll be ahead of 99% of the world. All the tools I mentioned are linked below, with free trials through my affiliate links. And if you want my step-by-step system, download 10 AI tools that make money. The next AI millionaire could be watching this right now. Why not make it you?